Hello, welcome to the final part of my Ca2 DoublyLinkedList uh, assignment for data structure and gaming. Finally, we shall be looking in this part. We shall be looking at the main class and the game itself and criticism. First off, the main class. First off, I start with a hash define crystal map log. This is used with the memory leak code. I imported all the classes into main, and this is a method header for a function that is called at the bottom. Okay, in the main, I had a timer class which I only call here and nowhere else. I created a list class list with player. Uh, I had a I created all these players with some multiple and added them all to the list class. Originally, I had made a list class go into another list in the player database class. However, people found this confusing and it was much more simpler just to have the one list than just making duplicate of themselves. Then we had the enum. We have insert, delete, all our search, find average, remove, and exit. Everything else up here was in the search function, and I just added numbers onto it. Like if they enter 2 for the value, then I would go +6 to make it 8. So it should go there, and then so on. Here's all the value. So we have int, position, level, all that, string, double result, and max and min. I wanted to put it all up here because I don't like having stuff in between stuff to make it look different. Okay, first of all we have display main menu, which will go into the uh, display menu and print out the menu. Also, this class is also the main where the user is mainly at. Then we have choice and the imported choice being 1 or 6, between 1 or 6. If they insert 1, then it will have to use the import a player and go down to the method down here called player, with the minimum and maximum being the size of the list. They will ask for the name, the last name, the max, the experience point, which is the max, the list, the level, and then create a new player with the requirement and return a new player. It would then go all the way back up here and then ask for the position where they want to be, 0 the first, and then the size is the last known number, and then they insert the place into the position where they wanted it. Delete is pretty much the same, but the input delete the place where they want to do. And search will get the sub menu and display it, and then it's up to the user to pick one. Like I said here, I added 6 onto the choice to allow 8, 7, or all them to be used. So if the print was print all, which is equal to 7, so if they enter 1, then add 6 to it to equal 7, then we'll print all the elements from the list, and then search by maximum, it will print it by the maximum. Search by last name, it will ask the user to enter the last name, then it will search and then print out the vectors. Search by high experience, search, enter any experience point, and it will search all of the thing lower than that point. Search by range of level. In here we added the choice of import. in display menu class. And this is if they import one, then it will they will ask for the integer value. If they do the other one, then it will ask for the parse value, and this here is the prompt which is put into the import parse. So like low level, no space, high level. Example is 4.1 and no space, just to tell them that, and then print it out into the vector. Pretty much the same. Ask the user which choice they want to do when looking for the range, and do that. Else if choice is find average, and then you enter the level, which is always going to be 1, or the highest is 100. Get the result and print it out, and then get the result, and then it go here and say player at the level blah blah, get a result of experience point of some. If they come back with like 0, then it will be empty, and then that. Uh, Here is one of the criticisms that I was given to by some of the people that tested my game, and also uh, looking at my code. I do not have a remove duplicate function. I tried doing this, but it was taking me a long time, and I was getting close to the deadline, so I decided to not do it, and make everything else work properly. If I had, had, if I were to do this all over again, I would have worked like look up more website and find like try to fix it. Okay, so if just when you press the remove duplicate class, it will just come out with sorry, this function is broken, can't use this, try another function. If they enter 6, it will exit the loop, and it will ask for you to enter in the key and then exit the loop. That's pretty much it. Now let me talk about some of the criticism. So let me just get the sheet. I had 3 tests to test this thing out. So in the testing of the game, again the remove function don't work. As I just said, when searching for the last name, they were typing in like capital letter in between the word in between the name, which was kind of hard. It was which made the function unable to test and see if it's the same as that, because I didn't add in a two lowercase or uppercase line, which I tried to do but was unable to figure out why it didn't work. And also they found out they find that when playing they didn't like the fact that the information of the past stayed on, which made it look kind of cramp with no, and I need to add more spaces or get rid of the information so it look more neater. And for the coding wide, it was in the main, it kind of looked kind of well, you can see here it kind of looked a bit messy, and also the fact that I didn't have a remove duplicate function, and then the two lower function too. Okay, now we shall test out the program. So here we go. So first I'll start off with this. Let go 5 to the remove thing, and sorry, function is broken. Okay, so let her go to 3, and let's search. We can search by print all, print people who have person who have the high experience point, print by last name, print by all experience point, and lower lower than the imported one, and print by range of a certain level, print by range of a certain XP. We're going to try to do these 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we're going to do all the functions bar 2 and 3, 2 and 4, so you can see, and then we'll test the insert and delete and find average afterward. So 1, print out all the 1. As you see, we have multiple. I was gonna do the remove duplicate to remove those to test the duplicate, but I didn't have much time and it didn't work. Right, 3, let go, print, oh no, print my last name. So we'll go, if I go Larry, that would come up result ending in failure. So if we do 3, 3, and go Larry, oh wait, no, sorry, Larry isn't there, so it didn't work. So we go Alan, result ending thing. So we print out, oh, see there's a Tim Allen, but it didn't print out, so let go 3, 3, Allen, it printed out Tim Allen. Okay, now let go 3, let's look at the range, so we'll go 5, we'll import by string, so 2, so we see here that it had to be that, otherwise come out with error and exit the loop. So if we go between 5 and 13, there we go. Let's try that again. So we'll go with 6 this time, and then we'll do it again, but this time we're gonna go 89 space, and this should come up with an error. The result ended in failure, and then come out with an error again. And as you can see here, this is what people complain about, that it's too much, like I should really clear the whole thing and start over again once it ended. Oh, now we're adding a player, so let's go Frank, and his experience is 66, and we'll give him a level 35, and we'll move him to the 6th. So let's go see if Frank is there. Frank is there. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, there you go. Now let's check the delete. Okay, which one shall we delete? And also, because Frank is there, it moved position up to 13. When we seen here, it was 12. So we'll delete number 5. So that should be Ellen Johnson. So go 3, 1, Ellen Johnson's gone, and now it's moved down to 2. Okay, now let's find the average of the people at level 2. People at level 2 is 553. So let's check here. We got 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 1. Divide that by 2 is equal to 553. Okay, so that should showcase all the function. There's some function, but they do work. So let's go 6, exit the loop, and I'd like to thank you all for watching this final video, and I hope you enjoy it, and hopefully I will do this again soon. Thank you.